Right, so today I'll be showing you how to add an analog clock to the home screen of your Galaxy A17 5G. So if you long press on the home screen and go to widgets and then go to clock, you'd not find an analog clock among the clock widgets you can add. So that means we're going to have to go to the Google Play Store and let's find a legit application. And the one we're going to find is called the Google Clock. Okay, so that's called the Google Clock. Search for that app. This is the official clock for Google phones. It's normally on the Pixel, but of course you can install it on any Android phone. So let's go ahead and have that app installed. Now with that app installed, it offers you options, and the options include an analog clock. So now that we have that app installed, you can now go to widgets. So long press on the home screen, select widgets, and then go to clock, tap on that, and then now you can see we have analog clock options. So you can tap on that and then tap on add and then choose the one you want. You can choose even this one or this one. I'm gonna choose that one, and then let's hold it and drag it. Let's just drag it to the main home screen and put it there in the middle. And also you can resize it or move it if you want to. And that's how you can have an analog clock on the home screen of your Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.